Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm here today at Bill Cole Kia with my good friend Josh. What's happening, pal?
How you doing, buddy?
Let me tell you something. You're talking about a sweet ride. Now, we were talking just off camera. This is no longer considered a minivan, right?
No,
the
sir.
soccer moms, you got to come in and ask for something else. So what's the deal with this thing?
This is considered an MPV, which is a multi-purpose vehicle. This is the Kia Carnival. You have seating for 8 in it. And this particular model is going to give you the power seats, heated front seats. You're going to have all the safety features, the lane departure warning, blind spot detection. And in the back, this is where it gets real.
Oh yeah, let's tell them about these back monitors back here.
This particular vehicle has the entertainment package, so you get 2 separate screens that have HDMI ports, SD card slots. You can do screen mirroring from your cell phone.
So you can actually go from your cell phone into one of the screens and watch whatever's on your cell phone.
Absolutely.
Just get a little bigger picture, right?
Absolutely.
I tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna buy one of these and just pull it up beside a porta toilet and live in the flipping thing. Because you almost could, couldn't
You
you?
basically can. It's a house on wheels.
Man, look at the back here. Let me show you this back. Look at all this room that you got back here. Show them how these seats let down, Josh. These are pretty simple too. Got a deep little dish right there. We can.
Super easy. One hand folds down. Your second row, those seats come out if you need the extra cargo space.
So a man could put him a cot back here and sleep
Easily,
in it.
very easily, very easily. Super versatile.
Man, what kind of price range, won't hold anybody to it, because I know a lot of them are different, but price range?
You're gonna be in the 30s in most of these.
All right, so husbands, if your wife runs you out of the house, you can sleep in the back of one of these things. So come on down and get it. You ain't gonna beat the deals down here at Bill Cole Kia. I guarantee, Josh. Thanks so much, man.
Appreciate it, Cledus.
Y'all take care. See ya.